Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 280 Vantage. What a beautiful boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's got the Abaco blue, it's got the dive door on it, and it's powered by the twin Mercury 300s. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 280 Vantage. Let's start at the back. We've got the fold-down seat, which is wonderful. It's so it's very, very comfortable for a couple of adults. Nice high backrest, so good supporting seat. Also, you've got the twin Mercs, which I told you about. Phenomenal engines, really, really quiet, very little vibration, and real powerful. Great, great motors. We've got the live well in the back, so if you're fishing, you get the live well completely, just total access right here, which is fantastic. And then if you are fishing, pull that away. You've got a nice leaning post. You've got your, the access over to the dive door. So if you are fishing, you can bring the fish, instead of bringing them over the gunnel where you lose them a lot of the times, you can just drag them right there. They're still half in the water, so you very rarely will lose the fish. Throw them in the fish box. Great system. Also the dive ladder, 4-step dive ladder, very safe with a handle to get in the boat, and it's very safe boarding. So it's one level on a floating dock. It's the safest way to get on the boat. So nice feature. They added this year, the seat, which is an extra seat, which doubles as a cooler or a fish box or whatever you want to call it. It does a little bit of everything there. Then and you got the Sure Shade. So it's an automatic shade that completely covers the back cockpit area. So great for staying out of the sun if you don't want the hot sun. So back to the seat over here. Going in reverse. You've got a table that comes out, so nice comfortable table here, accessible with the 2 seats in the back. Nice storage underneath. And you've got the dive ladder safely tucked away, so great location for that. So as far as sitting, this can do this. And this can go all the way down, so you can lounge, 2 people can lounge facing forward, or you just drop this back down. You can keep it like this, lounge that way, or lounge all the way back down. So you have comfortable back pad right there, so you can lounge 2 people comfortably. I've got the head. So it's actually a big head. This particular boat has a canvas package, so it has the cockpit gets completely closed in, which is nice. You've got the vacuum flush head, so big head area down there, so plenty of room. And as we move over to the helm, this boat is got the Raymarine, the 12-inch Raymarine, so really nice size. Raymarine does you can split the screen, you can do different features. You've got the stereo fusion stereo, Raymarine, VHF, trim tabs, and then this has a joystick. So the joystick I can dock this boat anywhere, anytime, any condition. I've got 100% control of the boat with the joystick, and it also does a sky hook. So if you're waiting for a slip assignment, you're going to hit the sky hook. It locks you into place. You can go get your fenders and lines all out with the boat not drifting on you. And also sunset. So it's great at the end of the day. You point the bow at the sunset, hit the sky hook, go out in the bow, have a nice glass of wine up there. The boat stays perfectly aimed towards the sun, so you're not swinging with the anchor one way and the anchor the other way. So really nice feature. In storage, behind the helm, large storage in there. You'll see the table and the table leg, and you'll see the 5-gallon bucket. That bucket is for trash, and you access that. On the back of the boat, people from the bow of the boat can access their trash, put it right there, and then we want to empty the trash, you just take the 5-gallon pail out, dump it in the trash. Real simple, real easy. The bow, it's got a filler cushion, which is nice. So you can put people just hanging out here. Very comfortable with the lounges. The armrests on it, very nice as well. And then we have the windlass system, which is recessed. It's out of the way, which is very nice. And then it's got the 4-step ladder that'll take you down, and you can drive right up onto the beach, step onto the sand, and get back from the sand back in the boat without getting wet, which is really nice. And then when you get back in, it does have a shower there to wash the salt on before you get back in the boat. So this boat has radar on it, which is another nice feature on it. It's got pretty much everything you're going to need. So if you've got any questions, please call me. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.